Welcome dear students in the 8th standard maths class. In the previous video we have completed the 14th chapter. Now in this video we will start the 15th chapter area. In the previous classes you already learned the formulas for the areas of some figures. See, the first formula is area of a square is equal to side square. Second formula is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Third formula is area of right angle triangle is equal to half into product of sides making right angle. And the fourth formula is area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now in this year you learn the formula for the area of a parallelogram. See, the one parallelogram is given here. In that, suppose I draw a perpendicular from the A on the side BC and cut this portion and join to the remaining part C. So the resultant figure becomes a rectangle, correct? And suppose I consider this perpendicular is a height. Height means H and the side BC is a base. Base means B. So see, if we calculate the area for this rectangle, we know that length into breadth. But here we use the base word instead of length and height word instead of breadth. So it is a height. So area of this resultant figure is base into height. So area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Very simple. And by using this formula, we solve the practice set 15.1. So let us move to the practice set 15.1. In that, the first question is, if base of a parallelogram is 18 centimeter, means B is equal to 18 centimeter and its height means H is 11 centimeter. Find its area. So by using formula, it is very easy. See the solution. Firstly, write down the given things. Given base is equal to 18 centimeter. Height is equal to 11 centimeter. And here we calculate the area. Area of a parallelogram equal to question mark. So write down the formula for area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now put up the values. So base is equal to 18 multiply by 11. Very simple. So 11 8s are 88, carry is 8, 11 8s are 11 1s are 11, 11 plus 8 is 19. So 198. Now see the unit is, suppose here I am writing centimeter. This is the unit of height multiply by unit of base. Centimeter into centimeter is a square centimeter. Correct? So unit is a square centimeter. Square of centimeter. So therefore answer line is area of parallelogram is equal to 198 square centimeter. Very simple. Now see the second question. If area of a parallelogram is 29.6 square centimeter and its base is 8 centimeter, find its height. So here area is given. We have to find the height. See the solution. Firstly, write down the given things. Area of a parallelogram is equal to 29.6 square centimeter. Base is equal to 8 centimeter and height is equal to question mark. So write down the same formula here. area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, and put up the values. Area is 29.6 is equal to base is 8 multiply by height as it is. Now here we have to find out the value of height. So take at left side, height is equal to 29.6 as it is. Now this 8 is multiplied to height. When it goes to the left side, it becomes divide. Now take the division. 8 3s are 24. Subtraction is 5 and 8 7s are 56. So here give the decimal point because the area is having the decimal point. So therefore height is equal to 3.7 centimeter. So therefore write down the answer line. Height of parallelogram is equal to 3.7 centimeter. Very simple. Now see the third question. Area of a parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. If its height is 6.4 centimeter, find the length of its base. So here height and area is given. We have to find the base. Very simple. See the solution. Firstly write down the given things. Area of a parallelogram is 83.2 square centimeter. Height is equal to 6.4 centimeter and base is equal to question mark. So write down the formula. So area of parallelogram is equal to height into base. So put up the values. Equal to area of parallelogram is 83.2, height is equal to 6.4 multiply by base as it is. So here we calculate the base. So base is at left side and 83.2 as it is. Now 6.4 is multiply with base. When it goes to the left side, it becomes divide. So here in the numerator and denominator, both numbers has the decimal point after one digit. So here we can remove. So it becomes 832 upon 64. Otherwise, we can multiply by 10. If we take the multiply by 10, then it becomes 832 upon 64. Now take the division. So it is big number. So firstly start by the 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. Now next number is a 3. 3 is less than 8. So take the 0 and 8 4s are 32. Now again take the division. 8 1s are 8. Remainder is 2. Then the remaining numbers becomes the 24. 8 3s are 24. So therefore base is equal to 24 centimeter. So write down the answer line. Base of the parallelogram is equal to, sorry, this is the 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. And here the practice set 15.1 is over. Thank you.